We bought this house in 2005 and this microwave has served us well, but it is not working anymore. The control panel's kind of broken, buttons don't work, it's cracked. I replaced this handle probably about 10 years ago, just from all the steam coming up. It kind of makes things brittle. Some glue came off, but anyway, it's worked well for a long time, but we're gonna replace it. These are really easy to replace, so let's get started. I'm gonna cover up the stove with a moving blanket just to protect it. Yeah, that should be good. So typically there are a couple of screws or bolts up here in the top. Ours has one there and one there. And once we take those out, this whole unit should kind of tilt forward. Should be hooked on a bracket in the back. All right. That bolt is real close to the side. So I'm using my offset head on my install driver to take out the bolt. So that was a pain. So my bracket that was back here had these stupid clips. It latches in and you have to push it up to unlatch it from those clips. Just FYI. August of 2005, 21 years almost. That's not bad. Good job, buddy. Basically the way you unpack these is you open them, you take all the stuff out. Where nothing's in the way. And you flip it over. There's the unit. So these are the fans on the back of the microwave. I think if you're going to have it recirculating, you would leave it like this. If you had a vent, you would take these off, take the cover off and flip that and blow it out. But I think that's in the right position for us. Looks a lot like the old one. Hopefully it lasts 21 years like the old one did. Sometimes when you look at the way your house was built, you are impressed. Other times you're kind of freaked out. This is one, I guess he couldn't find his stud finder. So his stud finder, his or hers, when they were installing the microwave, they just started crushing the drywall until it didn't crush. Very nice. All right, so comes with these templates that you put on the wall so you know where to drill your holes for the brackets, and this one that goes up here so you know where to drill your holes that bolt it to this upper cabinet here. So we're going to trim these. All right, we're gonna mark the center line. They want us to mark the center line here. There's one marked. I don't know why, but I don't really trust the guys that marked it. That's ridiculous. 30 and a half, 15 and a quarter. Yeah, that's the center line. Okay, we're good there. They want us to have at least 30 inches from the bottom of the top of the stove. We're at 34 almost, so we're good. Let's do it. So our stud's gonna be that one, that one. Okay. I'm gonna extend this line a little so I can see it at the bottom. Pretty close. Okay. That's pretty good. All right, so we got the templates up here. Really freaking close. So I'm gonna go for it. So basically we're trying to find where a stud is here, lines up with the holes. So I'm just using that as a guide. This one seems to be good. That'll be right there. Okay, this one's here. I'll use this one. Alright, and then up here, we'll probably just use the cord hole that's already there. It's pretty close. But these holes don't line up, so we gotta drill in there. 3/8. Okay. Alright, start drilling. Alright. Those up there are, I want 3/8. Get a mess. Very good. Good with that. Got those down there. Those are our new holes, so we can just screw that in. Just kind of want to make sure that's level. That is sturdy. We got this ready to go for the screws up there. Probably need somebody to help me hold it up. Alright, you can set it up on the counter. Okay. Alright, now I can lift it up into place if you can hold it there. See if it's hooked under there.
Well, looks like it. That's really hard to see.
There it is. There it is. I think that's good. Yeah, that's gotta be it. Alright, so then this needs to go up. up on it. There you go. Let's see if I can get this hole started. Get the screw started. Go down a little. Where is it? Oh, there it is. I see it. Okay. That one tighter than this one. You're good. I think you can let it go now.
Cool. Good job.
Thanks, man. All right, we did it. We installed the microwave. Pretty easy job. Hope it lasts another 21 years. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of stuff, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.